Good day, adventurers, and welcome back to another video of Fable Beard Company. I'm the Apprentice, and today we're going to be asking the question, can beard oil cause acne?
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another video for Fable Beard Company. I'm the Apprentice, and I'm here to share with you any tricks, tips, and epic stories that we have here at Fable. If that's what you're into, feel free to subscribe to our channel, toll the bell, so anytime that we do post something, you can get some notifications about that. Consider liking our videos and even commenting on a lot of them, because today we're going to be asking the question, can beard oil cause acne? Does it cause acne for you specifically? Comment down below here at the beginning of the video. I'm really curious to see if any of you have that problem. If you've been using beard oil for a while and you're just getting a lot of zits and pimples and acne just kind of underneath your beard or even just kind of on the exposed area. Now the question here, does beard oil cause acne? Answer to it, simply, it can. I'm not saying that it's always going to cause it, but it can cause acne for those who are acne prone. Now that's really everybody, but the question, an additional question is, do you take care of your skin? For beard oil, we use that to take care of the skin that's underneath your beard. It keeps it healthy, it can help promote growth. Now there's a difference between keeping the skin healthy and clean for growth, but also keeping your skin clean in general. So, I know for myself, I sometimes still get acne. I probably have acne right now, but that means that I need to be having a stronger cleaning routine for my skin. Soap, scrubbing it down, maybe using something more abrasive on my skin to get rid of any dirt that's inside my pores. That can help get rid of acne. You all know this, you're adults, you should be taking care of your skin, but just because you're an adult doesn't mean that you don't get acne. So what I recommend is that if you are acne prone and you have been using beard oil for a while and you're getting concerned of maybe acne is popping up more for you, I recommend lean off of the oil a little bit. I'm not saying stop using it, because it's important for you to use oil to keep that beard healthy, to keep the skin underneath the beard healthy, but maybe don't use as much, or use it throughout the day, little bits throughout the day. It's important for you to keep your skin healthy. And that means trying to reduce any acne as much as possible. That's the foundation for your beard, for your glorious locks that come off of your face. So in all together, by the end of this story, we understand that acne can be caused and encouraged through beard oil, but only if you are acne prone. So to summarize, beard oil doesn't cause acne. Sometimes it can. Take care of your skin. Altogether, you should be having healthy skin. You should be trying to keep a healthy appearance and complexion as much as possible, not just for your looks, but also for that beard. As always, adventurers, we really appreciate everything that you do for our community, and we can't wait to see you out there and hear more about your adventures. And as we say here at Fable Beard Company, may your beards be forever blessed, and treasure always upon your door.